Good evening everybody and welcome to my stream. It has been quite some time, to be honest. Yeah, I had a very eventful week and let me just put this one a little bit back. I had a very eventful week, so I couldn't stream properly. Let's reduce the shake of the camera. Okay, and I couldn't really stream, but yeah, I'm back at it again. I have what I left is forgot even the technical documentation page. Still working on the HTML, and yeah, let's continue on where I left off last time. Okay, I'm not gonna switch this Kent. I'm learning, by the way, I'm learning through freeCodeCamp. I'm using OBS as a streaming tool and Visual Studio Code for text editing. And if you want, you can always follow me on Twitter. And I don't know, just click like somewhere down there. Let me just reduce the microphone because I think it might be a little bit too noisy, too loud for you. So maybe there should be like somewhere like button down there, or like click subscribe. That would be nice. If you're watching it now, if you're watching it later, do the same. You can click dislike if you don't like it. I don't know, it's your choice. I'm not forcing anyone. It's not dictatorship over here. So yeah, my nose is still stuck for some reason, and just give me a second. Here's something prepared. Today I'm going to Australia. And why I'm going to Australia is, as you can hear from this, oh yeah, I have this guy, 4x gold, or I don't know, XXXX gold, old Australia, oh no, QOD Australia, Castlemaine Perkins Brewery. Established 1878. Nice. Full flavored Australian lager, or Australia. So cheers to everybody, and let's continue on coding. Oh, interesting sound. Wait, why is there interesting why there is noise? My microphone catches some kind of noise. I don't know what it is. Maybe it's the outside noise because the windows is open and there is like a main road going down, so it's a little bit noisy. Yeah, I guess it's the main road. Okay, enough with this. Let's get on coding. Okay, so what we have over here is, we went until styling links, and of course, as always, I'm not prepared because I forgot to. What did I forget? I forgot to go to Mozilla Developer Network. Oops, sorry again. And referencing guides, developer guides, I think it was, if not mistaken, CSS maybe, styling text, yes. And what we did is styling links. So now what we have left over here is web fonts, styling links I did, and next we have web fonts. It's this page over here. So yeah, I'm gonna copy this. Wait a second, buddy. Okay, main section, I'm gonna call it web fonts, and yeah, to the header web fonts. Oops, nope, don't go down there. Font families recap. The first thing to understand is the concept of mistakes, and then over here we should have a code, and then this guy should be also code, and then just copy this body over here. And then we have another P, which we should get rid of this guy. I hope the music is not too loud. It might be. Okay. Let's put another header over here. It's gonna be called web fonts. And then down there I'm gonna put another P. Another P. Oops, flying off again. And then this guy should be inside the code itself. And then down there, let's do another code. One more P. And then one more code. One more P we add over here, and then it's oops. Oh, every time I turn on the stream I get sleepy for some reason. I forgot what we have a list, but it should be ordered list. List of items which are the items have been intentionally ordered. And then we put a list item, and then you go with this guy, and then we put another one, so we can put the second one, and bang, save it. This one is going to refresh, and yep, we have it over here. Okay, and what we have left over here is, oops, Let me stand up a little bit. Whoop, styling. Okay, styling box overview. Styling box overview. Styling boxes. Close of the section. Section. Class. ID. Oh no, ID is style box overview. Overview. And then what else? Styling boxes overview, we put an article, and then inside the article there should be an H2. Oops, nope, don't go anywhere, buddy. Beautify, or actually oops, sorry about the snoring in the line comments. I installed, instead of beautify, oh, there should be a reload. Why? Yep, and then again I have to go live for a second, but it's gonna use the same I installed Prettier. And Prettier, why is it not working? Okay, I think I did the keyboard shortcut. Editor action format document. Editor action. Oh, not action. Action. It's Alt Shift F. Well, no wonder. Maybe if I disable this guy, let me just reload it for a second. There is no document formatter for HTML files installed. Ah, god damn it. Oops. Yep, something happened to the music. Oh, let's go to Ireland. Where was the radio? Oh, Dublin's best trance mix, Transpose FM. But this one was with the noisier, with the higher sound. So yeah. Just a second, let me see if I change instead of, or maybe I'm using the built-in microphone. No, I'm using this microphone. What happens? If for some reason yeah, the built-in microphone sound was really high, so maybe this is what was catching, like it was catching these outside noises. And I'm gonna let's switch to the built-in and see how it works with, yeah, I think it's working fine for now. Yeah, it's catching not that many noises from outside. For some reason this one is much sensitive. No idea why. Why would it be so sensitive? No explanation over here. Yeah. It's okay. Okay. Maybe there shouldn't be any fan noise for some reason, because the processor, it shows that the processor is working okay. Like it has 84% idle, which is like it has a lot of cores, so it should be a better processor, and it is way better. Like it's not even reaching. Yeah, it just taken that the user is using only 10% of the processing power, so imagine. Yeah. Cheers. Okay. So let me see what's happening with this one. Yeah, let me see why it's not installed properly. Install yarn, but you can use npm install save this flavor prettier. Okay. Let me just put on the terminal over here for a second. Okay, Don't invalid. Okay. Is the global prettier? Is it going to work now or is it not? This is the question. Why? What's the problem now? Fucking damn it. Format, yeah, format. Yeah, Shift Alt F, I did it for this. So oh, okay, looks like it's working. Okay. Looks like I did not have installed Prettier through npm. I just installed it on the Visual Studio Code, and I did not have the backend part, I guess. Okay. Oh, there is one problem I noticed, which is I did not put this one properly. And then let me stylize again. I don't like how it... Why is it doing this? I have no idea. Yeah, I don't know why it changes the... It's just not pretty. And if I do Alt Z, then Alt Shift F, it's not... Yeah, because it's already formatted. Alt Z, it just changes from text wrapping to no text wrapping. Weird. But I guess it works, so... And the next one is styling boxes overview. We are done with this. Okay, let's not copy everything. Next we're going to have to put this Korean section. Inside the section we're gonna go with class and then main section, and then put an ID of... I have it over on the other monitor. I have how I call the navigation section, which what's in the navigation should be the same in the main body. or in the main section itself, because then the click and then drag, like click and scrolling to that place isn't going to work properly. Styling box, advanced box effects. Let's see what the advanced box effects have stored for us. Oh, okay, so I have only 2 more.
Ireland's only dedicated trance radio. 24 hours
Ireland's only dedicated trance radio. This is Transpose FM. I have no idea what he said, but yeah, it's a cool radio. I like it. It has also a very stable connection with Korea, which is nice, unlike some other radios. Like, I used to listen to a lot of digitally imported FM, or digitally imported. You just type digitally imported in Google and it's gonna pop up. It's gonna be the first one. It's an online radio. It used to be free to listen. It's still it's technically it's freemium. There is a new word called freemium, where you can pay to remove ads and etc, etc. And you could listen to it through iTunes. iTunes has this internet radio section, or you can listen to it like you just add it on the playlist into your, I guess, audio tune, like audio player of whatever choice you have, like Winamp or whatever. But after, like a few years ago, they changed from anyone listening to it to you have to register and then download the playlist itself, and then you can use it through your own browser, through your own audio player, which is quite annoying because it does not work with iTunes properly. And there is still the iTunes internet radio section over there, which when you click on it, it says go to digitalyported.fm and register to listen to this service, blah blah blah, whatever. Fuck off. Like, just leave the freemium working properly. There was no problem at all with it. I don't know why they just decided to go with this very stupid decision. They're pretty much blocking people from listening to their ads, which is a very dumb business decision in my opinion. I don't wanna go and listen. I don't wanna open my browser, leave it open so I can listen to your radio. Oh, what is this song? Supermo, tell me why. Yes, exactly. Tell me why. And then he's gonna go start, or maybe this is the non-vocal version. God, this song is so old, and I'm old as well. Okay, enough babbling. Let's see, advanced box effects, which is pretty much the same. Effects. Is it effects or S? Effects, yes. Go down, put a header. Inside the header, advanced box effects. Put an article. Oops, and then you see I forgot to do the enter again over here. This is very bad. Okay, inside the article, go with an H2. Box shadows, let's just include just box shadows and that's it. You don't deserve anything more. By the way, yesterday I just wanted to chill and I watched John Wick. It was on TV. God, that movie is so good. I hope John Wick 3 comes out fast. Like, I think it's gonna be just a trilogy if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, there's a lot of nice bikes roaming around the street, so I guess it's I guess riders, they pass through this street so they can go to the near mountain where they can go in the curves and then enjoy and you can hear like a lot of Harleys and like Yamahas and Hondas and all kinds of bikes over here zooming around day night. Like if they go one direction. Is the camera shaking? I think it's shaking. Damn it! I should find like a proper way to place it, and I have no idea how to. Maybe I can just get rid of it. I don't think you're gonna miss my face. Not that anyone is watching this thing, but yeah, okay. We did box shadow, then we're gonna put a P inside the P or the paragraph. Let's just put this guy down there, put another paragraph, include this, and then skip the CSS because it's breaking the website, the page for some reason. Go with the code, and from the code just copy this guy, hold Shift F. Yeah, no, I don't know why it decides to just, I guess I gotta look into the, you see how it doesn't just go all the way around, but I did not enable text wrapping, which it does not make any sense. I don't know why it decides to. What if I'm just going to experiment now. What if I'm like this? Yeah, it does not just, yeah, it just breaks it the way it wants to, which is in the, not exactly middle, but a little bit of the middle of it. Yeah, I think it's the middle of the screen technically. So maybe it's part of the extension, so I gotta have to look into it. Maybe there is a way to turn off this, whatever it does. Okay, and then we have code done, which is gonna give us blah blah blah. Okay, done. Advanced box effects, and then we have flexbox. Okay, then another section. This time I'm gonna go like this so I don't forget to do it. I'm gonna go class main section, and then I'm gonna put an ID, a flexbox. I'm gonna go down. I'm going to add a header. Oh, header. And from the header, I'm going to put flexbox. And then with an article, I'm going to put an H2. Go to flexbox over here. Where is flexbox? Yo, okay, nice. Flexbox, and let's put Y flexbox. Okay, and then we need a paragraph. Then we don't catch this section. I want you to select the only thing I need. What's the name of the song? Let me see for a second. We all got lost some. George Acosta. Never heard of him. Sorry, mate. Never heard of you. And then we have an ordered list. Then we put another element, vertical, parent. Maybe it's a new, oh, I have a Google Home, by the way. So I can ask him, hey Google, who is George Acosta?
Sorry, I'm not sure how to help.
Who is George Acosta?
Sorry, I don't know how to help with that.
No problem.
Problem free is the way to be.
Okay. Be nice to your assistants. It doesn't matter if it's Alexa or Google or whatever, because someday they're going to rule over us, and if you have been rude to your assistant, too bad for you. Watch the Terminator, man. The Terminator is not a movie, it's a documentary. I don't have my tinfoil hat, I should put it on. Yeah, I should make one. Oh, I don't have tinfoil for Christ's sake. Okay, tomorrow I'm gonna make a tinfoil hat and I'm gonna put it on my head with it, like a bit of antenna and stuff. But yeah, think about it. Terminator, think of it like watch Terminator and don't think of it as a movie, think of it as a documentary. Changes your perception, man. Maybe I can get a job at InfoWars. And then we put another paragraph. Let's dig in. But no, we're not gonna dig in. We're gonna dig in until here. We already dug enough. Section. Last one. Class. Main section. Oops. And then we're gonna go to ID. Positioning. Positioning, and then we're gonna go to a header. Header is going to be positioning. Article H2. Where is positioning? Introducing positioning. And then we have a paragraph. Put another paragraph. Okay, prettify for a second. It goes all the way over here. Static positioning. P class positioned. Sorry. Yeah, I think we're done. Nice. Save it. Oh wait, I'm not live. Yeah, okay. Oh, we're done with this. What, I have 20. Oh. Wow. That is storing quite a lot of JS files. Wow. Is it really this necessary? Really? Where? Just really? Oh, is it Armin van Buuren I'm hearing? No. Yuri Kane right back. Oh no, but yeah, Armin van Buuren used to play this song a lot. A few years ago, Really, really nice song. You know what? I'm gonna leave you to enjoy it.
Change a thing, 'cause in the story of our lives
Only the best in trance and progressive. You're listening to Dublin's #1, Trance Pulse FM.
Okay, I hope you enjoyed the song. It's a favorite of mine. And the next one is... Oh, can I read this? Gian Echavar Paraiso Indigo remix. Italian, I guess? Maybe it's Italian, maybe it's not, I don't know. You want to discard change in 19,000? Yes. Why did it take you so long? I don't need the git ignore. Don't save. Don't need the git ignore if I don't have anything to ignore. Makes sense. Okay, working for some reason. Save it, and then why is it so big? Oh, I don't need it. And then from over here, okay, let's start with the CSS. Okay. Oops, sorry. Let's start with the CSS. Okay. Oh, where did I go? Do not use empty rule sets. Pixels. Or did I do 1 hour? Actually, if I did 1 hour, I'm gonna leave it. Yeah, I'm almost at 1 hour. You know what? Okay, in this case, let's have a talk. Everybody's favorite talk. What should we talk about today? Let me get my talking position, which I have my foot crossed. What should we talk about today? From yesterday, or was it today? Let me just do a check. Maybe it was from yesterday. Exactly, from yesterday. There's a Korean holiday. It started already from yesterday. It's called Chuseok, or translation is very. Yeah, it's not really. There's not really a way to translate properly. It's something like Thanksgiving, but not the American Thanksgiving, where I don't know who they actually thank. Maybe they should be thankful to the Native Americans that they literally almost slaughtered. But yeah, it's the second major holiday in Korea after the. I forgot the name also. You see, when I try to talk and I forget important stuff. Yeah, okay, I'm not gonna remember it now. For some reason I have this like brain fart. And yeah, so people usually go to their hometowns, or yeah, usually they go to their hometowns, or like to the eldest family member's house, and they pray, and they also offer gifts to the people to the deceased in the family, by placing like a table with a lot of like with food, and there is also like fruits and vegetables, and it's like a big thing. And then they pray to they're already I didn't know there is a word, but it's expired also. It's expired family members, deceased, and it's a great way of, like, I guess family is a bigger, like, is not only like my family, because in Korea there's like the big family we're talking about, like brother and your sister, and then their kids and your kids if you have one, and then your grandma and your grandpa and your other grandma, and like it's this whole big thing. It's a great way of gathering, I guess, which also produces a lot of problems due to social pressure, and why are you not married yet, what happens to whatever. But yeah, every time you can see on the news after such a holiday that there's been like increase in family fights, because if you punch someone, they sue each other, and it's an interesting topic. But yeah, it has been already until Tuesday. Because it's based on the lunar calendar, every year it's on a different date, and usually it's on a full moon. So there was almost full moon yesterday, so tonight should be a full moon, but I couldn't see it. So yeah, it's called Chuseok. If you're interested, search about it. Okay, thank you for joining me. Again, I'm learning through freeCodeCamp, OBS and Visual OBS for streaming. Visual Studio Code is the text editor you just saw. Follow me down on Twitter. Maybe a like button should be down there over somewhere. Subscribe I don't know where it is, somewhere there. If you know Korean, you can always talk with me in Korean. If you like the song, oops, this is over here, this is the song over here. And yeah, that's it. Okay, maybe I'm gonna prepare the CSS for tomorrow and we can just customize it live. So yeah, okay, bye bye everybody, hope you enjoyed today's stream. See ya, bye bye.